Flowmaster, the industry leader in exhaust technology, introduces our new American Thunder exhaust system for the 2014 to 2017 Ford Fiesta ST with a 1.6-liter engine. This easy-to-install bolt-on 409S stainless steel system features single 2.5-inch mandrel-bent tubing and Outlaw series muffler paired with a resonator for maximum power and exterior sound quality. Other features include polished 3-inch dual exhaust tip with the embossed Flowmaster logos. As an American Thunder exhaust system, this is best suited for owners who are looking to maximize the power and exterior sound quality while maintaining the modern and pleasant interior tone. If you're looking to dress up the look of your Fiesta ST along with an increase in power with a powerful performance sound, then this system's for you. This system includes all necessary parts and hardware for an easy at-home installation. The exhaust system is manufactured right here in the USA and is covered by Flowmaster's lifetime limited warranty. Be sure to subscribe to our Flowmaster YouTube channel and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.